Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Wiggins Hair. They sent over this 13x4 HD lace. It's 24 inches and it's curly. Like, look at it, it comes with the curls. HD lace, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Like, you could literally take it out the box and put it straight onto your head. I literally didn't have to style it if I didn't want to, but for this install I did install it with crimps. But I also showed you guys what the curls look like too. But yeah, as you can see, I already give scalp straight out the box. Like, I didn't have to use makeup on this except for my part. That's real HD lace. When you have HD lace, you really don't have to apply a lot of makeup because the lace is super thin and see-through. But I'm going ahead and just blow drying the adhesive spray, putting my wig band on so the wig can stay together. I'm just getting the process of styling it. When I say this wig was like super full, the wig is super full. Like, this is the fullest wig I've ever had. Like, it is completely full from the root to the bottom of the wig. Like, I've never had that before. So if you guys want a true quality, go to Wiggins. This is the best wig I've had thus far in my wig journey. Like, it's that good. But yeah, it's giving scalp already. I'm going ahead and doing my edges. I just did a simple middle part with 2 edges on the side because I knew I was going to do crimps, and I just wanted a basic look. I didn't really want to style it, so we went ahead and went for this basic look. I'm going to let y'all watch it because there's no need for me to talk. Like, y'all see what's going on. So I will jump back in a little bit later. Okay, now that the edges are done, I'm just going over it to lay the top of the hair down, and I'm just going ahead and show y'all. This is what the curls look like. I kind of combed them out some, so they're not as curly as they were when I first pulled them out the box, but you guys kind of get the look. Like, you could literally walk out the house with these curls, and they just look like they've dropped over time. So now I'm about to go ahead and crimp. I don't know who invented crimping, but why does it take so long? Like, there has to be a faster way. If there's a faster way, let me know, because this process takes like entirely too long. Like, I don't know, it's so cute, but it takes way too long. It's something that, I don't know, it's just, yeah. But I went ahead and crimped it, and I think it looks so cuter with the crimps. Like, I just love crimps on me with a black wig. Like, it's just so cute. So I'm just going to crimp it. It took me a minute, but it ended up coming out real cute. I cut out a lot of the clips of me crimping because y'all would have been sitting here for like an hour, and we don't have a lot of time. So yeah, this is what they're looking like. Y'all, this hair, like I said, it's great, it's thick, like no promo, like all promo aside, like the wig is very, very full, thick. Like, I would definitely invest in this wig. If you are looking to buy a good quality wig, I would definitely recommend Wiggins Hair. Like, 10 out of 10, 100 out of 10, literally. Do y'all see that shine? Like, it's so shiny. I did not put no product in. Usually I put on a product when I do hair to make it look shiny, but I literally didn't have to put nothing on this hair. Like, I can't, yeah, like, it's so good. I will literally be installing this wig over and over until it's no more wig. Like, this is what it looks like when I'm finished. This is the final product. 10 out of 10, so cute. Everything that y'all need to know will be in the description. A link to this wig. If there is a promo code, it will be down in the description. Make sure I go check them out. Like, look at, no lace, like literally scalp. So cute, full true to length. Do y'all see how full it is at the bottom? Like, yeah, go shop with them. Thank you again, Wiggins, for sponsoring this video. Literally a 10 out of 10. Do y'all see how thick that is? Like, literally so thick. I'm trying to show you how thick it's like, it's so thick. But see you guys in my next video. Bye.